hold your line. We ain't blinking now, not this time. Future's on fire, the night feels mean, but we know how to move in the in-between. Get locked in, get ready to ride. The gang's on the rail and we're rolling inside. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one purpose, we survive. Outlaws together, we get paid tonight. Come on, outlaws, hear that call. Dust on the boots, no fear at all. We're all in this for the long, hard run. Same rough work, same rising sun. Stay tuned, he's coming through. That trading cowboy's got work to do. He'll roll in fast, take the wheel, then we ride those charts like a steel horse steel. Get locked in, get ready to ride. The gang's on the rail and we're rolling inside. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one purpose, we survive. Outlaws together, we get paid tonight. If the wind cuts hard and the numbers shake, we hold our ground, we don't break. Side by side when the pressure climbs, same old code, same outlaw minds. Outlaws together, we ride, we ride. Punish the charts and stack it high. One road, one purpose, we survive. Outlaws together, we get paid tonight.
Cowboys and cowgirls, welcome to the tack room, guys. Good morning, good morning. Good Monday morning. Let's go. Saddle up. Let's ride. Let's ride. H-Town, good morning. Isaiah, good morning. Nam, good morning, good sir. Thanks for being here, guys. Welcome into the tack room. Smash that like button for us, guys. Let's go. Still kind of building out a little bear flag right here. We have that gap all the way down here back to the 320s, 300 area. Let's see. What are y'all thinking? Can't help but be bearish a little bit, right?
Sealing my fate, got scars from the summers, a rally ran wild. Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art and cute. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild
H-Town thinks we'll hold that 600 area. We've bounced there a couple times. Dom says Taco Monday. Let's see what happens. Mr. Twister, good morning. Good morning. Another Monday rolls around. Big weeks of earnings. Yeah, we have, what do we have? Wednesday. So let's see what happens between now and then. See if it's just going to kind of stay flat. See if we're going to get a lot of chop. Maybe. Apple and Meta are big ones. When are those, Mr. Twister?
Maybe it's skill, maybe it's just stubborn will. But I'll be here till the closing bell's gone.
We're giving up.
Not for the faint of heart, fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I sat on that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me.
All right, getting that push down. There's right little break through the 600. Let's see if it bounces back up. Fish, good morning, good sir. Good morning. Welcome into the tack room, guys. Make sure you smash that like button for us, guys.
Bear flags on the pullback, we ride it back in.
New York Open, 42nd.
Like a courthouse door, all-time highs up ahead, but we wait for more. Hold that line, let it breathe, cash that patience, then let it leave. Bull flags and boots.
Alan, good morning, good sir. Good morning. Welcome into the tack room, guys. Let's see how this short plays out. It's already rolling over pretty good.
Bollywood played back singing, jamming to the music. Zero dawn, the sheriff keeps the whole town moving.
Welcome to New York, guys.
The deputy Pam with her map of knowledge. The good news spreading, every chart got college. Hydro pumps the heat, mad moxie on the line. Punishing those funded accounts, one clean step at a time. Bull flags and boots, ride it out. Bull flags and boots, wait it out. All-time highs, but I want that pullback now. Bull flags and boots, ride it out. Fish catching 25 points, sinister on the charts. Nick is patient, waiting for the easy 40 parts. Miguel and Jose say we're biggest ever done. Mark catching that inside candle, name torture in the sun. Guitar guy with his live account, grounded cove came through. Chop trader wants that.
Let's see if it holds right here. Big push down. There's some more push down. Got denied up there, a little below the 600s.
But I want that pullback now. Bull flags and boots, ride it out. When the dust goes
See what happens right here. Kind of push it back up.
But I want that pullback now. Bull flags and boots. Ride it out.
Push down to the 530s. She's rolling over.
Boots on the desk, coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my hat tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts look like canyons, red dust on the line. I'm roping in those breakouts, one tick at a time. Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire. Every little flicker feeds that fire. Hey! Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Yeah, we shout you hot to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, let the screen go dream.
Mark, good morning, Mark. The sell-off was so predictable. Wish I could have gotten in 15 minutes ago. Yeah. Man, I was afraid it was going to pop a little bit too hard, though, right? I mean, I was afraid it was going to pop, take out a bunch of stops. But definitely predictable. Especially if we're going to fill that gap, right? Got a pivot point all the way down there at 420s. We got the gap on the hourly at around the 300s, 330s, somewhere in there.
Turn that fear into trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue.
Let's see if we keep waterfalling. Maybe a push back up to the 60s.
Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Hands up high, we howl at the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tails.
Let's see what happens right here at the 9 EMA. Neural, what's up, buddy? What's up? Good news. What are we doing here? Well, right now sales are in play. I'm going to look to see what it does right here at the 9 EMA. See if we get a push back up or kind of bounced off what we could call the 480s, I guess. So that 80 mark again. They've kind of been short running those 80s and 20s here lately, right? So I don't know if I'd call it a reversal at 610. Stop loss at 630. I mean, it could be a pullback, right? But I mean, that's the 50 EMA, so that's our classic rejection, right? So there's 120 points back up. Trying to make a little bull flag. Let's see if it fails. See if Isaiah gets his 558s. Now I'm showing a few contracts of 562s, some up there at the 607s. Probably got those taken already. It's trying for this bull flag. Let's see. Choppy Chop giving up the 580s. There's Isaiah's 558.
Sun up glow on a ticker screen, coffee gone cold, I still keen. Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I wrote that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blank, blank, blank.
I like it. Good news. I just don't want it to wick right here. I mean, I feel like it could waterfall all the way back down to these lows of 480s. Leave that rejection off the 9 EMA right there. Rolling, what's happening? Rolling. Good morning, good morning. Mark caught 30 points on the short. Nice job, Mark. Roland says up or down. Mark said we're going downtown, Roland. Easy rolling, easy rolling. That's too far. See what it does right here at the 500s. I like that push straight up right there if you're short. I haven't yet, Roland. I don't know. I saw all the info last night on it, so I'll probably check them out later myself. Isaiah says, can we actually talk for a second about my call out? I'm just in awe right now of what I've been learning. I mean, there's millions of calls out a day, so congratulations for catching that. I mean, it was a classic rejection off the 21. We talk about that every day, so congratulations for the call out. We're proud of you. And remember, a broke clock's always right twice a day also. Yeah, for sure, Mark. Well, we got that big gap to the bottom, right? Just to the wicks, we got that gap all the way to 330s. Yep, came into the open with no wick. Yeah, I mean, look how good that bear flag was, right? On the hourly. Nice push-up rejection. Another little push-up. Big rejection. Have that gap down there. Mr. Twister says we're at a previous support zone. Let's see if it recovers. This is a pivot point right here at the 420s, just a hair below 420s, 418s. Could get a push back up here to the 490s. See if it'd push up just a little bit. Maybe reject off the 485s. I got a box on my chart. If we close above it on the 1 hour and 4 hour, we'll be bullish. But I don't think it's going to happen today, Mark says. There was the 485 tap. Let's see if we get that denial now.
Nobody talks about the emotions. Everybody posts the wins. Nobody posts the nights they sat there, questioning if they're built for this. This one's for the traitors fighting battles nobody sees. The trading cowboy. Giddy up.
There you go. There's you another top tick call out. 485 touch. Straight rejection. Back down 50 points.
Candle changes everything.
Kind of want to short this, but I don't want to be at the bottom. 30 seconds making a little bit of a bull or a bear flag. There it is. There's a play out.
Starts calling your name and suddenly you forgot how to stay disciplined, how to trust your plan, how to trade like a professional instead of an emotional man. Some nights I sit in silence, replay every trade I made, thinking maybe this market.
All right, we're gonna try a long right here. See if we can push back up, at least back up to this shoulder here.
But then the sun comes up again, coffee pours, charts load.
Stops down here at the low.
Something inside says
Kind of had two red candles. This one wicked through.
day trading futures,
Let's see if we can get through this 14 without getting denied.
1 minute you're high, next minute you lose control. Green days got you feeling like the king of the town. Red days got you wondering if you're breaking down. But every scar, every loss, every tear in the night builds the cowboy that keeps showing up to fight. The strongest traders ain't emotionless. They just learn how to keep moving while feeling everything. That's the difference. Ride the candles, rope the market, and keep showing up. The trading cowboy. Giddy up. Coffee on screen is glowing, sun comes up, numbers going, little green flicker on the side, got that itch for one more ride. Push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go, that's right. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky.
Alan, my man, heck yeah. Alan said he might be done. He's 1454 up. Nice job.
Heart beats fast, chart keeps climbing, every tick feels like timing. Gut says hold, but my hands say bye. Another breakout coming by. Push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go.
Heck yeah. Nice win. Big W, Alan. Big W. All right, took one off right there. Gonna shoot for the higher up here. Gonna go break even with this one. Oh, never mind. Got straight rejected. Got 75, maybe 80 out of that trade. Nice little 40 points maybe. Switched right back down real fast. Just took some stops out, looks like.
I've been studying this storm all night.
Chop Trader, good morning, good sir. Good morning. Welcome into the tack room. Let's see if it can break right here. So I wanted to give it just a little bit of room to see. I mean, maybe it gets denied right here at the 21. Nice move in my direction. I shared on Discord. Neural says it was Neural. Very nice.
Coffee cup ring on a legal pad. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Ticker rolling like a freight train past, but I'm just watching, giving it time. Call mine, fast market, and that's the deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic, just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be.
There you go. There's into the new lows. Man, the way I wicked right there and pushed back up, I was a little nervous to try to take that. Played out perfect though. Neural kind of looked at the 4-hour and 1-hour candles now. Yeah, Neural, it's always good to look at those for sure. There's pushed through that pivot point right here. Let's see if it pushes back above it or if it keeps dropping. We're gonna go fill that gap right now. Mark says I'd like a pullback because I got out of my short. I agree.
detached from the outcome. Focus on the setup like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than in trees, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself, then master the NQ.
We're still bleeding off.
Sun comes up on the tick-tock road. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this opens what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tone man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy yourself picks a deal in tune while Charles drives charts like a dusty old car. We're trader riding NASDAQ together in this wild screen.
Where's the pullback? Sugar Trader says, good morning. Good morning.
Weather, a new jack swing in his soul. Terminator calls, here comes the good news. Through the chop, we don't let go. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together.
Trying to hold it up here at these 350s. I don't think they can. We might as well go fill that gap now, right?
Driving up, session taps his ring on the
Maybe they're trying to trick some people. Let's see.
then I'm done. Yeah, Marco singing sweet like a backroom choir while the spread runs off with everyone. Good news whispers like a back porch breeze. Bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the ones still holding every loss, every win, every cent. We're trader riding NASDAQ together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah.
Was that the feel there? Was that the feel?
Good news through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together, where the green candles grow. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B
Look at that.
weather, new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah. Terminator smiles, here comes the good news through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together, where the green candles grow.
Mark just caught a few more points. First winning day on the new Legend Funded. Let's go, Mark. Nice job.
Come on and cue, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that V-wop, show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower. Don't you dare stop now. Come on down, 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 down. Come on down, 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 come on down. Yeah. Red bar, stack it on the last. Every little tick, dropping kind of fast. Fade that bounce, kill that hopeful sound.
35%, I believe, Mark.
Come on and cue, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that V-wop, show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower. Don't you dare stop now. Come on down, come on down, 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 down. Come on down, 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 come on down, 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 come on down, 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 down. Come on down, 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 come on down, down.
Being as young, I could turn this one day into. Yeah. Just call it a little cushion. It's called cushion now, Mark.
Coffee gone cold on a desk lamp glow. Boots on the floor, but I don't leave home. Watching that open like a rodeo gate. Every tick bucking like a seal in my face. Got scars from the summers the rally ran wild. Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art and cute. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I can't send my weight in the weeds till the price.
Here comes the 290s. We're going back to the 280s.
As country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Mama says, son, that ain't real land, but I'm staking out lines on a 5-minute span. Green, red candles like a ballroom fight. I'm calm as a preacher on a Saturday night. Gotta stop like a holster tied in my side. Wrist small, aim tall, let the rest all right. If it hits my level, I play my part in cue. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. As country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Maybe it's love, maybe it's skill, maybe it's just stubborn will. But I'll be here till the closing bell's dark. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. Hardcore country in this day trade to see.
Still want some more downside. Kind of feel like that gap fill all the way to the bottom would be the 280s.
Shot like an open road. Giddy up, let's go. Hey! I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing. And Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bold flags, I rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run. Long into the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short into the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the best 8 seconds yet. Yeah, I'm the trading cowboy. Giddy up, catch that momentum, boy. Charts look wild, I just grin. One more trade, let the rodeo begin. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Coffee on, screen glowing blue. Alarm rang twice, beat the market too. Yellow legal pad full of scribble lines. Got a rule for the risk and a rule for the grind. Ain't chasing tickers like a rodeo clown. I mark my level, then I stand my ground. Plan the trade, trade the plan. That's my Bible in my hands. Oh yeah, discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline. But it's chart, breathe again. Tiny little edge like a nail in a fence. Hold it every single day, that's what makes a ranch. I ain't that cowboy with the last second bet. I'm stacking small wins like a farmer's shed. Plan the trade, trade the plan, that's my Bible in my hand. Sing it out. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk comes first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky-tonk discipline. Some folks pray for luck, I pray to keep my rules. Lord, save me from that FOMO and them late night fools. My edge ain't a secret, it's how I walk each day. Hard like a preacher, hands like a Texas day trade. Plan the trade, trade the plan, that's my Bible in my hand. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. That's all. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a sun.
Yeah, I feel complete, you think, guys? I think so.
Level results. That's all. From a honky-tonk discipline. Discipline. Yeah, my edge is my process. My profits.
Mark likes the short if we put a wick on the 10 a.m. candle.
Cowboy of the NASDAQ, singing risk and truth.
Get that push all the way back down, Mark.
Trading Cowboy back again. NQ candles moving. Accounts disappearing.
Might not be able to wait that long.
Giddy up.
I agree.
Rule number 1, never size up emotional. Rule number 2, don't trade irrational. Rule number 3, respect your stop loss line. Broke all 3 by 9:05. Coffee black heart.
Market makers are watching your stream.
Market open palm
For
shade.
real.
Told myself today we trade clean. 5 minutes later, revenge trading. Every chart looks
They shorted without me. You said it too fast.
setup, cowboy, that's emotional.
You said it too fast, Mark.
I got rules I probably shouldn't use, like averaging down till I blow clean through. Moving stops, father every single time, saying it'll bounce while the account flatlines. I trade revenge like it's part of the plan. Over leverage with shaky hands. Mama said, boy, you should probably stop, but the NQ candles just don't quit. Giddy up. There goes the account.
Here comes the 200s.
Tomorrow. That's not revenge trading. That's recovery.
Our next pivot point's down there at 28,100. Sinister, good morning. Still on the road on the way home. Let's go. Hopes everybody had a good weekend. We did. Stay safe. We'll see you soon, buddy.
If I blow this funded, we don't talk about it. I got rules I probably shouldn't use, like moving stops and watching candles new. Diamond hands on a terrible trade, telling everybody it's just a pullback phase. I keep buying dips that never bounce, turn small losses into large amounts. Cowboys don't cry when the charts go south. We just mute the mic and walk around the house. Minutes later, account blown sideways. Risk management important, guys. That's what everybody says. Ride the candles. Survive the margin call. Funded by Friday, blown by Monday. The trading cowboy, giddy up. Push through the highs, bust through these EMAs. Take me higher, I'm staring down the bears today.
still bleeding back off right here.
Coffee and a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this open's what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tonk man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy, you said fix a dealing tune while Charles drives charge like a dusty old car. We're trader riding NASDAQ together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in his soul. Terpinator calls, here comes the good news through the chop, we don't let go. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow.
Just kind of consolidating right here for some kind of move, right?
Driving obsession taps his
Another push back up, maybe. Oh yeah, look at that push.
says one more pull back, then I'm done. Yeah. Marco singing sweet like a backroom choir while the spread runs off with everyone. Good news whispers like a back porch breeze. Bad ticks bite like a barbed wire fence. We tip our hats to the one still holding every loss, every win, every cent. Red Trevor riding NASDAQs together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that R&B with a new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah. Terpinator smiles, here comes the good news through the chop, we still all roll. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow.
See if we can get back up over these EMAs. If we can go back up and test that 50. Kind of thinking maybe a push up to the 320s back to that 21. Let's see. Mark said he's looking for shorts, but wants to get it back to 350, 380 area.
Sun up glow on a ticker screen.
We're still bleeding off, still going lower right here.
Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I wrote that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blink, blink, blink. Heartbeats countdown, don't even think. Fast hands dance on a worn out mouse. This little desk at my glass walled house. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these
See if they're going to push this to the 220s.
precision in the chaos. Yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. Stop loss set like a safety rail.
Kind of held that bottom.
I don't fear the fail.
See if we get a fast wick through it, maybe then a push, or if we're going to keep bleeding off.
Gotta move real soon. Tick by tick, feel the old world fade. New frontier in the moves I made. Dicks clamp glow, midnight run, chasing that break like a rising sun. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow, turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos.
Kind of holding that up right there. Is that 225 the bottom? I'm going to try a little long, see if we don't push back up here. Straight tonight, man. I thought that thing was gonna pop. Little bull trap.
They call it gambling. I call it one trade away. One setup. One clean execution. One funded account. Away from changing everything. The trading cowboy. The trading cowboy. Every trader knows a feeling. Staring at the screen at night. Dreaming about the day one candle finally sends your life in flight. Bills stack high on the counter. Pressure heavy on your chest. Let's go. Telling yourself this next account might be the one that changes all the rest. Mama thinks I'm crazy. Friends will think I'm broke. But they ain't seen a cowboy locked in with hope. Cause deep down every trader believes one full port move could set them free. I'm one full port trade from financial freedom. One clean runner from changing my life. One funded payout from telling my family we're finally gonna be alright. If it ain't today, just saddle up and reload again. Use the trading cowboy code and
Mark didn't wait for the shorts. Let's go, Mark. Let's go.
Cowboys never quit the fight. One trade away from freedom. Maybe tonight. Some accounts get blown to pieces. Some trades humble you real fast. But every real trader knows this dream ain't built for quitters. That don't last. I done watched red days break men. Seen revenge trading steal souls. But the ones who keep on showing up eventually take control. Coffee black before the open charts, glowing in the dark. Another chance at freedom, another shot to leave a mark. Maybe this next funded account is the one. Maybe this next breakout pays the bills. Maybe this next runner changes your family tree forever. I'm one full portrait from financial freedom. One clean move from changing my name. One payout request from proving to everybody I wasn't crazy chasing this game. If today ain't the day, cowboy, don't let the dream die. Reload, refocus, ride again. Use the trading cowboy code. And let's saddle up one more time. Most people quit too early. Right before the move they were waiting for. The market rewards the cowboy.
See if we get that bounce right here. It's trying.
Keep riding. Giddy up. Let's go, let's ride. Let's go, let's ride. Coffee on, screen is glowing.
All right, stopped out right there. Still think it's going to bounce right here at the 180s. Maybe not. Noble, good morning. Next part, we'll target 137-ish. Yeah, it could go down to 130s. We got that pivot point sitting down there at the 100s.
Sun's going down on the candles I wrote. Charts still burning from the paths I chose. Some green runs, some lessons paid. Every tick wrote the moves I made. Had a runner that flew, had one that slipped. Got a little too heavy, had it one too quick. But I ain't done, now I'm still in the fight. Close the books, take a breath tonight. Yeah, the market don't care who you are. It'll humble you fast, leave a scar. But every loss got a lesson inside if you're willing to look. Not high, this is the Cowboy's law. Write it down in truth. Wins and the losses, yeah, they all leave proof. Balance the books, let the numbers speak. Find the strength in the habits you keep. Write it back tomorrow, no fear, no plea. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. One trade at a time, one step each day. From the red to the green, we find our way. We find our way. Yeah. Funded accounts and evos in place. Some hit targets, some slipped away. Took that A plus, yeah, the clean setup and chased one late and paid too much. Felt that pressure creeping in close. Trying to force trades just to hit that goal, but I see it now. Gotta slow that pace. Discipline's the edge in this race I chase. Ain't about swinging at every
Still bleeding out right here. Here comes the 137s. Noble called out.
patience paid is the strongest hand. Not every move's meant to land. This is the Cowboy's law, real and raw. Every entry, every flaw I saw. Count the wins, but respect the cost. Growth build more from what you lost. Saddle up tomorrow, clear eyes to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. Stay the course, don't chase the flame. Consistency's the name of the game. Yeah, slow it
120s would be a 500-point drop from open, Mr. Twister. I hope you wrote it down.
not every day's a payout ride, but every day's a step inside the trader you're building. Brick by brick, not by luck, but how you stick. This is the Cowboy's law, end of the day. Truth in the numbers, no running away. Mindset reset, get ready to ride. Leave that ego off to the side. Tomorrow's coming, another chance to see. Becoming the trade.
Some of it, but not enough. I feel you. I feel you. Let's go. I'm just kind of waiting.
To the screen we grind, sharpen the edge, refine the mind.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles, shut them down. Come on and Q, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that view up, show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down. Red bar, stack it on the left.
Apple says FU market. Yeah,
Been kinda fast.
for real.
Bounce, kill that hopeful sound. One more flush, send it through the ground. Come on and Q, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that view up, show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down. Come on down, 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 come on down, down.
Here's that pivot.
Alarm bell rings, screens light up, green and red like county fair eyes. Got my watch list, got my plan, ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time. Moving averages across a lane in, backbeat talking about a shift in the wind. Volume jumping like a Friday crowd, ATR saying it's running wild now. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that.
What a meltdown. Here comes the 2850s.
Bollinger Bands like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing and then the neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in a yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker fly. 15-minute candle, first break of the day. You'll be hitting like a hometown parade. VWAP sitting like a center stripe. Price comes back and it feels just right. Trend reversals whispering maybe. Inversion in my gut say easy. I ain't chasing every flashing flame. Just another small win in a big long riding this chart like a back road line.
See if the 28,000 offers any support. Yeah, crazy.
Bollinger Bands like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in the neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in a yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker flies. Could be red, could be green, it's alright. Wrist set tight, I can sleep at night. Oh yeah.
Still pushing down.
Kid reading candlesticks, turning little ticks into big lies. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Bands like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing and then neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker flies.
Trying to get a little bit of gravity right here. Let's see if we can jump.
Cowboy law. Yeah, the Cowboys are law.
Can't get through those 80s.
Sun's going down on the candles I rolled. Charts still burning from the paths I chose. Some green runs, some lessons paid. Every tick wrote the moves I made. Had a run of that flu, had one that slipped. Got a little too heavy, had it one too quick. But I ain't done, I'm still in the fight. Close the books, take a breath tonight. Yeah, the market don't care who you are. It'll humble you fast, leave a scar. But every loss got a lesson inside if you're willing to look. Not high, this is the Cowboys law. Write it
The market's a bloodbath. You're not joking, Mark. You're not joking.
they all leave proof. Balance the books, let the numbers speak. Find the strength in the habits you keep. Write it back tomorrow, no fear, no plea. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. One trade at a time, one step each day. From the red to the green, we find our way. Funded accounts and evils in place. Some hit targets, some slipped away. Took that A+, yeah, that clean setup.
I need to train holding drilling trades. Took 4 shorts. Yeah, sugar trader. Hey, at least you took the shorts, right?
That'll make you rich. Patience paid is the strongest hand. Not every move's meant to land. This is the cowboy's law, real and raw. Every entry, every flaw I saw. Count the wins, but respect the cost. Growth build more from what you lost. Saddle up tomorrow, clear eyes to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. Stay the course, don't chase the flame. Consistency's the name of the game. Yeah, slow it down, lock it in. Discipline over trying to win. Not every day's a payout ride, but every day's a step inside the trader you're building, brick by brick. Not by love, but how you stick. This is the cowboy's log, end of the day. Truth in the numbers, no running away. Mindset reset, get ready.
Yeah, for real, right?
Leave that ego off to the side. Tomorrow's come, another chance to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. From the saddle to the screen we grind, sharpen the edge, refine the mind, refine the mind.
Roland said 27,400.
Call it game.
We could be. We could be. Crazy.
I call it one trade away.
There's the 28,000s. Getting a little bounce.
One clean execution, one funded account, away from changing everything. The trading cowboy.
Mark said, Roland, you aren't wrong. We have FOMC next week and worse, or this week, Mark says. 2% facing higher. Yeah, it could be.
Staring at the screen at night.
Is that going to make Trump mad?
Out the day, one candle. Finally send your life in flight. Bill stacked high on the counter. Pressure heavy on your chest. Telling yourself this next account might be the one that changes all the rest. Mama thinks I'm crazy. Friends all think I'm broke. But they ain't seen a cowboy locked in with hope. 'Cause deep down every trader believes one full port move could set 'em free. I'm one full portrait from financial freedom. One clean runner from changing my life. One funded payout from telling my family we finally gonna be alright. If it ain't today, then saddle up and reload again. Use the trading cowboy code and take another shot.
Hydro, big fat 28. Oh, I like the buy. I don't know. I think we're close to a buy.
The fight, one trade away from freedom. Maybe tonight. Some accounts get blown to pieces. Some trades humble you real fast. But every real trader knows this dream ain't built for quitters that don't last. I done watched red days break men, seen revenge trade and steal souls. But the ones that keep on showing up eventually take control. Coffee black before the open, charts glowing in the dark. Another chance of freedom, another shot to leave a mark. Maybe this next funded account is the one. Maybe this next breakout pays the flex runner changes your family tree forever. I'm one full portrait from financial freedom, one clean move from changing my name, one payout request from proving to everybody I wasn't crazy, chasing this game. And if today ain't the day, cowboy, don't let the dream die. Reload, refocus, ride again. Use the trading cowboy code and let's saddle up one more time. Most people quit too early, right before the move they were waiting for. The market rewards the cowboys who keep riding. Giddy up.
Still pushing down right here. Mr. Twister, I don't have much hope of decent buys today based on the price action. I know it, but we came down so far, I don't want to just hit the short button. I mean, maybe that's the play. Got another pivot point sitting down here at the 890s. We're blowing through every one of them.
We're gathered here, my friends, to lay one dream to rest. A shiny screen, a wild idea. I tried to do my best. Click that buy, then clicked it twice. Thought I'd ride it to the sky. But that margin call came knocking, tipped its hat and said goodbye. So raise your glass for my blown up futures account. It went fast on a tiny little price amount. I was a trading cowboy till the red just wiped me out.
Bounce incoming soon, Noble says. Mr. Twister says we are oversold. Should have some green candles soon. I mean, there's a good green candle, but
Laid some flowers on the chart, 30 contracts deep. Stop was just a suggestion while I chased that losing streak. Now screenshots, war stories, laughing at the mess I made. But there's a fresh login waiting and a smarter plan to trade. So raise your glass for my blown up futures account. It went fast on a tiny little price amount. I was a trading cowboy till the red just wiped me out. Use code cowboy for your discount on a brand new account. Oh, yeah. Big losses, rest in peace.
maybe here's the bounce, maybe.
Stick around. Tip your hat to every chart before you lay that money down. Yeah, raise your glass for my
Pretty decent.
futures account. We bounce back. That's what this ride's about. Still a trading cowboy. Hear me laugh and sing it loud. Use code cowboy for your discount on a brand new account. Trading cowboy.
Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Welcome to the tack room.
Yeah,
All right, we're going to try the long again right here.
the trading cowboy back again. NQ candles moving. Accounts disappearing. Giddy up.
See if we can get that push to these EMAs.
Rule number 2, don't trade irrational. Rule number 3,
Guys,
stop loss.
what happened?
Broke all 3 by
I leave for 10
9:05.
minutes.
Coffee
You're supposed to be
black
watching
heart
this
racing, market open, palm shaking. Told myself today we trade clean. 5 minutes later, revenge trading. Every chart looks bullish when you need a win. That ain't a set of cowboy, that's emotional sin. I got rules I probably shouldn't use, like averaging down till I blow clean through. Moving stops farther every single time, saying it'll bounce while the account flatlines. I trade revenge like it's part of the plan. Over leverage with shaky hands. Mama said, boy, you should probably stop, but the NQ candles just don't quit. Giddy up. There goes the account. Risk management tomorrow. That's not revenge trading. That's recovery. Just one more contract. That's what I said. Now I'm sweating bullets, staring at red.
All right, well, we're
Told
getting a
the cat
second
I'm
green
disciplined 5 minutes ago. Now I'm praying to Jesus, watching NASDAQ go. The market give it, the market take it away.
Here comes the push to the 20 right here. I'm gonna try to take one off right at it.
Crazy, thought I
You
couldn't
got
move.
somebody else.
Now I'm eating
I had a
ramen
beautiful
noodles,
call out.
singing
Fucking
funded
thanks.
account blues. If I don't close the trade, did I really lose? If I hide the P&L, can't nobody see the
Stops break even.
If I pass the evil, I'm basically Warren Buffett.
Get over that 14 right here. Let's get a little push up to the 21.
Yeah, rules I probably shouldn't use, like moving stops and watching candles. New diamond hands on a terrible trade, telling everybody it's just a pullback phase. I keep buying dips that never bounce, turn small
We had a
losses
150
into
point short
large
today,
amounts.
actually. So even with us
Cowboys
being
don't
down,
cry when the charts go
Well, actually down
south.
300.
We just mute the mic.
There's
and
80
walk around
points.
the house. Minutes later, account blown sideways. Risk
Come on, give me that
management
push.
important, guys. That's what everybody says. Ride the candles. Survive the margin call. Funded by Friday. Blown by Monday. The trading cowboy, giddy up. Giddy up.
All right, there's one taking off. Got one left. TP hit on that one. Here's my stop to the bottom of that previous candle's wick.
Candles climb like fence posts in a flood. Every hedge fund cowboy talks a whole lot of blood. I got dust on my boots and a screen full of lies. Too many all-time highs got us rolling our eyes. We've been riding this ridge too long with a grin that don't hold. Every green day feels heavy when the whole town's sold. So tip that cap now. Hear that market groan. Come on down, Bob. Come on down, Bob.
Got to get that push right now.
Drop it low, let it rock. The price is right. Come on down. Come on down, Bob. I'm trading the NASDAQ like a card shark in a bar. Betting on a cold front under one hard star.
There's 100 points off the bottom right there, off the entry. Let's go.
We're gonna wear thin.
I'm going to guarantee myself 75 of those points.
Retrace, let the weak hand spin. We've been riding this ridge too long with a grin that don't hold. Every green day feels heavy when the whole town's sold. So tip that cap now. Hear that
Gonna move to the bottom of that candle now, guaranteeing myself 100 points.
Come on down, Bob.
Noel got 40 points off that bounce out already. A few more candles. Let's see if we retest and head higher. Good trade. You caught that falling. Well, I mean, I tried once earlier, right, Alan, and it didn't work. But so what I had is I had my my setup. Had 3 red candles. This previous candle wicked through that. I tried to take that earlier and it didn't work. But I figured, man, after 200 more points, let's see. So it had that wick. So I just caught this next candle. Kind of catching a falling knife, but man, down this far. We were also kind of right there at that pivot point, so I thought maybe that pivot point would give me a little bit of cushion at the 900. So gonna move to the bottom of that candle, guaranteeing myself about 130 points. We kind of tapped that shoulder at the 120s, so may have to pull back. All right, out right there. Back up after that losing trade. That helped.
Got my watch list, got my plan, ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time. Moving averages across the lane in. MACD talking about a shift in the wind. Volume jumping like a Friday crowd. ATR saying it's running wild now. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb.
Oh, let's see if it's gonna push now. Is it gonna go to my TP now? Sleep at night. Oh yeah. Just a farm kid reading candlesticks, turning little ticks into big life kicks. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Band like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in the neon night. RSI say it's run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as the ticker flies. Let's go, Sinister. Let's go.
We are gathered
Getting that push back up right here. There's a push up to the 50. I mean, Mark, I caught a long down there at 950 or 960 and rode it all the way up to 120. So, back green on the day. You missed it.
May your losses rest in peace. May your lessons stick around. Tip your hat to every chart before you lay that money down. Yeah, raise your glass.
I was being entertained. Yeah, I saw that. I saw that.
We bounce back. That's what this ride's about. I'm still a trading cowboy. Hear me laugh and sing it loud. Use code cowboy for your discount on a brand new account.
Nice. The power of the DCA, right?
Coffee cup ring on a legal pad. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Tickers rolling like a freight train past. But
Okay, trying to hold above this 50 EMA right here.
Time call mine, fast mark.
TC update, green on my short and gold and ooh, even on nice. Nice job, Noble.
Just do what
Way to bring that back. Heck yeah.
Focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too. Master yourself,
See what it does right here.
then master the NQ. Used to white knuckle every red line. Heart on fire with every little tick. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing. Let the fear fade slow, let the noise run thin. Calm hands on the mouse now.
Trying to push hard.
And a time of day, if it comes around. If it don't, I still walk away. Detached from the outcome, focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too. Master yourself, then master the.
There's a little bit of rejection, kind of coming back down to test that 50 EMA.
Some folks
Let's see if it follows through with that, or
before they learn the ground. I just read my story and
yeah, they're still wanting to push pretty hard.
every
Look at, brought it right back up.
Detached from the outcome, focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too.
50-minute chart is crazy. 7 red ones in a row, yeah. And they're not small, right?
I woke up mean and broke, coffee charts and smoke. Bulls got me by the throat, then I broke my own oath. Took a little scalp, turned it into a yell. Thought I knew the market well, ended up in trading hell. Evil on a Tuesday, hard in a boot tray. Stared at that red screen like, well, that ain't my payday. Trying to get funded by Friday, blowing nibbles on a Tuesday. Swore I'd cut that loser quick, then I averaged down halfway. Trying to get funded by Friday. I got a drawdown grin and a stubborn thing for sin. Kept saying one more win while the margin closed me in. Bought that dip like a fool, left the edge of my own stool. Lost again in a blank, now the whole porch knows I stink. Evil on a Tuesday, dust on my boots, babe. I told my buddy, watch this, then the candle turned traitor. Trying to get funded by Friday, blowing evils on a Tuesday. Swore I'd cut that loser quick, then I averaged down halfway. Trying to get funded by Friday.
Trying to hold it up here above these EMAs. They're fighting.
Mama said, boy, slow down, but I heard free money sound. Now I'm staring at the screen like a raccoon in a tin can. Got a plan and a prayer, and a stop loss somewhere. Still I click with cowboy pride while my account goes south side. Trying to get funded by Friday, blowing evils on a Tuesday. Swore I'd cut that loser quick, then I averaged down halfway. Trying to get funded by Friday. If I make it, I'll buy the bar. If I don't, I'll play guitar. Same old cowboy, same old plight. Maybe next week I'll get it right. Hey! Woo!
Push through the highs, bust through these EMAs. Take me higher, I'm staring down the bears today. Beat these bears, push those candles, get up there.
Getting some wicks down like it wants to drop down from back through these EMAs right here. Let's see. Just chop right here.
Up before the opening bell, screen glow on my face. Got lines drawn all over that chart, like a road map to some place. Red, green, flicker and fight, candles dancing in a row. I've been studying this storm all night, just waiting for it to blow. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick.
Sinister, let's go. Crank that computer on.
Like a breakout,
I miss out, yeah.
this run's gonna really
That was crazy.
If love's just numbers and faith in a plan, then baby, you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you. Trading
right to those 200s, getting a little pullback off of it. I think so, Alan. This little pullback right here may be the right spot for that. Kind of came back these 140s. Yeah, look at that. 40 points right back up. Probably should have tried to snag that. See what it does right here. See if we get that big push. This size has to be looking for shorts. The longs might pay, but the bigger picture looks bearish to me. I mean, I don't disagree for sure. I mean, you look at that overall, I mean, that's just a nice bear flag, right? It's trying to break right there. There's the 21. Kind of retesting that flag and those EMAs. Is it going to break through? Are we going to roll over right here? Let's try it. See if we can at least come back down to these 80 area. Stop above the high of that candle. Oh yeah, look at that. They're going to bring it right back down. Look at that. See if this bear flag wants to bear. That 21's trying to hold it for them. Take one off right there. Just kind of stuck right in between all these EMAs right here. Little break through the 21. I'm going to take another one off right there. Got two left. I'm going to bring this to break even. Free trade. Looking for that 100 area, 88 area. Could bounce right here at the 100, so I'll start trailing it when we get there. May just split this up. Take one at the 100s right here if it doesn't. May stop me out right here. Let's see. All right, yeah, stopped out right there. Up 230 right now on these two accounts. I think we took about a $200 loss earlier, so got it all back and then some. I still like the short right here, but let's see. Kind of coming up on that initial balance low. Fish posted in the Discord at the 75s. Good short, 60 points out. Nice job, Noble. Nice job. Thanks, Mark. Kind of tough right here, but I like this buy right here. It's the 80s. Got that pivot point right there at the 100s. I don't know. Let's see if it bounces. I'm going to try to stay patient, but
Coffee cup ring on a legal path. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Ticker rolling like a freight train past, but I'm just watching, giving it time. Calm mind,
still rolling over right here. Let's see. Trying to hold.
I don't chase, I don't panic, just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome.
Here she goes.
Focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself, then master the NQ. Used to white knuckle every red line, heart on fire with every little tick. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing. Let the fear fade slow, let the noise run thin. Calm hands on the mouse now, just a plan and a time of day.
Here's the bounce.
If it comes,
Let's see.
around. If it don't, I still walk.
Oh, couldn't get in.
Detach from the outcome. Focus on the
Let's see.
setup, like planting rows and
Had our red candles. This one barely turned green, so I was going to try it. Stop would have had to have been below 49.
harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself.
Almost 30 points. A little too fast. Good short, bad exits, Mark says. Not wrong. I got to get out on those shoulders, though. I mean, I got to get out, especially if I'm in profit. So
Some folks want the glory before they learn the ground. I just read my story, and every tick up, every pull back down. Detach from the outcome, focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be to master yourself, then master the
now we can move this back to here. Kind of like it right there, but just say right there. That's our actual wick. I'm going to do right there, actually. Extend this out. Right back above that 28,100.
NQ candles moving,
If you look at a 5 minute,
accounts disappear. Get it
this right here,
Rule number one, never size up emotional.
this 100 area was our pivot.
Trade irrational. Rule number three, respect your stop loss line. Broke all three by 9:05. Coffee black, heart racing. Market open, palm shaking. Told myself today we trade clean. 5 minutes later, revenge trading. Every chart looks bullish when you need a win. That ain't a setup, cowboy, that's emotional sin. I got rules I probably shouldn't use, like averaging down till I blow clean through. Moving stops, follow every single time, saying it'll bounce while the account flatlines. I trade revenge like it's part of the plan. Over leverage with shaky hands. close the account. Risk management tomorrow. That's not revenge trading. That's recovery. Just one more contract. That's
Big
what I
push.
said. Now I'm sweating bullets.
Kind of faked out everybody right there, didn't it?
I'm disciplined 5 minutes ago. Now praying to Jesus, watching that.
Let's try it. Let's see if we can get back up here to this shoulder up here.
One green trade got me feeling like Buffett today. Then I sized up crazy, thought I couldn't lose. Now I'm eating ramen noodles, singing funded account blues. If I don't close the trade, did I really lose?
See if it tricked me.
Can't nobody see the bruise. If I pass this evil, I'm basically Warren Buffett. If I blow this funded, we don't talk about.
Green on Oracle, long, gonna close it. Nice. Nice, nice. Alright, this may not work. Gonna get stopped out right here. Really don't want to give up that much. There's where my stop needs to be. Let's see. I'll add into this a little bit. I'm gonna add in right there. See if this trend line holds us.
That's what everybody says. Ride the candles. Survive the margin call. Funded by Friday. Blown by Monday. The trading cowboy. Giddy up.
Nice job, Mark. We'll see you tomorrow, buddy. Thanks for being here. Tip your hat to every chart before you lay that money down. Yeah, raise your glass for my blown up futures account. We bounce back. Well, when we broke that little bull flag at the top, I went long. Gonna see how it plays out, but stops below the 50s. Long with an average of 118. It broke that first one, kind of tricked us, came down and then pushed back up. I bought it on that push and added into it, but now it looks really nice and bearish. I'm afraid it's going to have one wick through that lower wick, and I just don't know where it's got to be.
Sun comes up on the tick chart glow.
Just chopping around right here at these 80s.
Coffee in a
Kind of below that pivot point right now at the 100s.
zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat. Says, boy, this open's what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tonk man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy, Yusef picks a dealing tune while Charles drives charts like a dusty old car. We're trader riding NASDAQ together in this wild screen rodeo. Marco's got that R&B weather, new jack swing in his soul. Terminator calls, here comes the good news through the
Yeah, I think so.
let go. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow. Driving obsession taps his ring on the desk. Says one more pull back, then I'm done. Yeah. Marco singing sweet.
Last ad right there. Stop staying the same.
Spread runs off with everyone. Good news whispers
See if we
like
get
a
that bounce.
backroad breeze. Bad ticks bite like a bottle by fence. We tip our hats to the ones still holding every loss, every win, every cent. Well, Trevor riding NASDAQs together in this flickering cattle drive show. Marco's got that R&B with a new jack swing in his flow. Oh yeah, Terminator smiles. Here comes the good news through the chop. We still all roll. Yeah, trader riding NASDAQ together where the green candles grow. Nobody talks about the emotions. Everybody posts the wins. Nobody posts the nights they sat there, questioning if they're built for this. Yeah. This one's for the traitors fighting battles nobody sees. The trading cowboy. Giddy up. Some mornings I wake up confident, charts look crystal clear. Next thing you know, one bad trade, and now I'm fighting fear. Heart racing at the open bell, hand shaking on the mouse. One red candle changes everything.
Let's see if we can get that push.
You ever stare at your account and feel your whole chest sink? Wonder how one little click.
Went up, tested the 14 EMA, got straight denied.
Nobody sees the pressure. Nobody feels that pain. Everybody loves the profit. Nobody
Graybeard Scalper, what's happening, my man? What's happening? Thanks for being here. If you're just tuning in, guys, smash that like button. Help a cowboy out.
next minute you lose control. Green Day's got you feeling like the king of the
Good news. It is. It is.
Fear when you cut too early. Fear when the move ain't done. Greed whispers one more trade. Ego says size up now. Then revenge starts calling your name, and suddenly you forgot how. How to stay disciplined. How to trust your plan.
I'm gonna have one more time before it stops me out.
Like a professional instead of an emotional man. Some nights I sit in silence, replay
Just to see if we get that little bounce before it hits that.
thinking maybe this marking just ain't the path I'm made for anyway. But then the sun comes up again.
And stopped out.
Charts load. And something inside says,
NVIDIA is just pulling us down, right? The beauty of working from my basement. Right? Could be good news. Could be. Hold on just a second.
you lose control. Green days got you feeling like the king of the town. Red days got you wondering if you're breaking down. But every scar, every loss, every tear in the night builds the cowboy that keeps showing up to fight. The strongest traders ain't emotionless. They just learn how to keep moving while feeling everything. That's the difference. Ride the candles, rope the market, and keep showing up. The trading cowboy. Giddy up.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Hey, take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Hey, whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles, shove them down. Come on and Q, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that view up, show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down. Yeah. Red bar, stack it on the last. Every little tick, dropping kinda fast. Fade that bounce, kill that hopeful sound. One more flush, send it through the ground. Come on and Q, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that view up, show 'em how we got 'em. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, come on down, come on down, come on down. Come on down, down. Come on down, down. Come on down, down. Come on down, 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 down. Sun up glow on a ticker screen. Coffee gone cold, I still keen. Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I wrote that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blank, blank, blank.
Are we headed for another low? Little retest? Can we get a double bottom maybe? Who knows?
This little desk is my glass walled house. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp my swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. Stop loss set like a safety rail. Big risk grin, I don't fear the fail. Storm blows in from the afternoon. I hear that bell, gotta move real soon. Tick by tick, feel the old world fade. New frontier in the moves I made. Desk lamp glow, midnight run. Chasing that break like a rising sun. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp my swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls.
Down 1200. Whoop, I laces my hard top. Let's go, Sinister. Base hits now. Base hits now from now on.
Dust on an open plane, I chase that
The rollover's crazy. I think as long if we stay above 2,800, maybe that's a last straw.
Oh yeah, ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight, master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow, turning all the whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos, yeah, that's how this cowboy rolls. That's how this cowboy rolls. Up before the opening bell, screen glow on my face. Got lines drawn all over that chart, like a road map to some place. Red, green, flicker and fight, candles dancing in a row. I've been studying this storm all night, just waiting for it to blow. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout, hoping this run's gonna really stick. If love's just numbers and faith in the plan, then baby you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you.
Could be the bounce. ES just kind of wicked through its low. Got a same bounce right here. Let's see.
You laugh when I talk about trends, say I live inside that screen. But girl, when you walk in the room, you erase everything. You're that sudden surge in my veins, that false break that turns out true. Every pattern I thought I knew got rewritten when I met you. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick. Yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout, hoping this run's gonna really stick.
Right up to the 14.
Faith in the plan, baby, you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you. Trading my heart, that's what I do. Some days I'm up, some days I'm down. Fear and hope spinning me around. But you're that steady line through the wild. You turn this gambler into a child. Oh, you do. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little uptick. Oh yeah, I'm counting on us like a breakout, hoping this run's gonna really stick. If love's just numbers and faith in the plan, baby you're my favorite trade I ever ran. Win or lose, I keep coming back to you. Trading my heart, that's what I do.
Missed that short in apple. Long apple, just a quickie.
Friends, to lay one dream to rest, a shiny screen, a wild idea. I tried to do my best. said goodbye. So raise your glass for my blown up futures account. It went fast on a tiny little price amount. I was a trading cowboy till the red just wiped me out. Use code cowboy for your
Should be. Let's see if they can push back above that 21 on Apple.
account. Laid some flowers on the chart, 30 contracts deep.
Nvidia is just still pulling back.
Suggestion while I chase that losing streak. Now screenshots, war stories, laughing at the mess I made. But there's a fresh login waiting and a smarter plan to trade. So raise your glass for my blown up futures.
Let me see if these 20s hold.
Went fast on a tiny little price amount. I was a trading cowboy till the red just wiped me out. Use code cowboy for your discount on a brand new account. May your losses rest in peace. May your lessons stick around. Tip your hat to every chart before you lay that money down. Yeah, raise your glass for my blown up futures account. We bounce back. That's what this ride's about. I'm still a trading cowboy. Hear me laugh and sing it loud. Use code cowboy
Noble out already.
on a brand new account.
Nice. That was a good push. That was a good push, Noble. Nice. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, buddy.
Boots on the desk, coffee ring
Nice job.
Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Got my
Love it.
head tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts are like canyons, red dust on the line. I'm roping in those breakouts one tick at a time. Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire. Every little flicker feeds that fire. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open widescreen saloon. Yeah, we shout yee-ho to the moon.
Get back above this 50. I may add to this.
Fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail.
28.050. Pulling back now, though.
Those green, let's rip, let's ride, live the screen door dream. Got my watch list loaded like a bell, full of round. When that volume stampedes, you can feel it shake the ground. Oh yeah, chat room talking like campfire talk at night. We're telling tales of a limit feels we barely survive. Win streaks, whipsaw, same old song. One good runner and I'm right back on. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open widescreen saloon. Come on, we shout yee-haw to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trades like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push
Keep selling right back off right here.
rip, let's ride, live the screen.
Come on.
I've been stopped out, locked out, flat in the dust, but I saddle up it open, turn that fin to trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold rig cowboy riding straight on through. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know.
You're gonna roll back over.
Kick that open widescreen saloon. Hands up high, we howl at the moon. High speed horses on a
No. All right, give me a pop here. Sinister. Bro. Sinister, sinister. What did we talk about last week? What about the, yeah. See what Nom says. Kind of trying to hold it right here, kind of what Nom. He's got some contracts sitting at 927, 939, and then up at 28, 100. So. See if it fails this time.
Somewhere.
2 weeks before U.S. Centers of Disease. Yeah. 2 weeks before. Interesting.
Same old cowboy, same old plight. Maybe next week I'll get it right. Hey! Up before the opening bell, screen glow on my face. Got lines drawn all over that chart like a road map to someplace. Red, green, flicker and fight, candles dancing in a row. I've been studying this storm all night, just waiting for it to blow. I'm just trading my heart on a Friday, risking it all on a little.
All right, they pulled some of those lower contracts. We still got that 28 100 sitting up there. We do have some sitting at the 90 or the 22 980s roughly still. We got some sitting at 28 077, and then the 28 100s. Let's see if we get this push now.
What I do. You laugh when I talk about trends, say I live inside that screen. But girl, when you walk in the room, you erase everything. You're that
Denied right there at the 21. Can't get over that 25 area. Now it looks like a good short. We're just chopping. Smash that like button for us, guys. Welcome into the tack room. Thanks for being here. The chop is real. May 26th, born the rising salmonella infection linked with backyard poultry, baby chicks and ducklings.
Alarm bell rings, screens light up, green and red like county fair eyes. Got my watch list, got my plan, ain't just throwing darts and hoping this time. Moving averages across a lane in, MACD talking about a shift in the wind. Volume jumping like a Friday crowd, ATR.
Everything's kind of getting a little pushed down here. Here comes futures pushing back up 35s. My first TP target was 39s. Man, it just cannot hit it. Trying to get some of this ready raced. Of course, it's backyard, yeah. New law in Michigan coming soon. No more raising animals in your backyards. There's one TP. Gonna bring my stop in. Still blows my mind how they allow a lot of it anyway, though, right? I'm gonna move this to the 50 right below it, so I know we take it out. All right, there's that one. I got 5 left. I'm just gonna try to trail this a little bit. All right, out right there. Got about 900 of that last loss back, so try to be a little patient, see if we can keep going. It blows my mind how they even here. I mean, they let you have certain chickens in town. Can't have a rooster, you know, but you can have them in your backyard. So many. That's all control, yeah.
blade sealing my fate. Got scars from the summers, the rally ran wild. Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art and cute. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. This country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Mama says, son, that ain't real land, but I'm staking out lines on a 5-minute span. Green, red candles like a ballroom fight. I'm calm as a preacher on a Saturday night. Gotta stop like a holster tied to my side. Wrist small, aim tall, let the wrist all right. If it hits my level, I play my part.
Yeah, if you live in an HOA development.
For the faint of heart. Fearless
Yeah.
in the face of the
Yeah, that's for sure.
that screen like a wild Mustang.
You know, we have an HOA that's old. It's, I mean, not even I mean, it's, we haven't even added to the laws, but it says no poultry and stuff like that, but I think we've allowed it with everybody, so but everybody out there takes care of everything, so
Maybe it's just stubborn will.
there's a push up to the 90s.
I'll be here till the closing bells dawn. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. Hardcore country in this day trader scene.
When I bought this farm, every came over and asked me what your plan was.
Let's go, let's ride.
That's right. Amen, Noble. Absolutely.
Coffee on, screen is glowing.
I mean, we're kind of sitting right in the whole, you know, beef capital of the world area here, so people don't really say that around here, so.
On the side, got that itch for one more ride. Push those candles, push it NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go, let's ride. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky, click that ticker, watch it fly. Let's go, let's ride. Hey.
And that little push back up right here is that little bull flag kind of playing on a 30-second. The 1 minute still looks like it could push back down.
Says home, but my hands say bye. Another breakout coming by. Push those candles, push it NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go, let's ride. Yeah, push those candles, chase that sky, click that ticker, watch it fly. Let's go, let's ride. Oh yeah.
Push through the lows, break through these EMAs. Take me lower, watch that screen go gray. Whip those bulls, make the green lines drown. Push those candles, yeah, shove them down. Come on and cue, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that VWAP, show them how we got them. Take me lower, don't you dare stop now. Come on down, 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 down. Come on down, 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 come on down. Yeah. Red bar, stack it on the last. Every little tick, dropping kind of fast. Fade that bounce, kill that hopeful sound. One more flush, send it through the ground. Come on and cue, let's ride it to the bottom. Break that VWAP.
See if it gets them out of these 90s again, or if we get that push. Looks like it's trying to push.
Don't you dare stop now. Come on down, 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 down.
Good push right here. What a push. Nice little squeeze going on.
Coffee on, screen glowing blue. Alarm rang twice, beat the market too. Yellow legal pad full of scribble lines. Got a rule for the risk and a rule for the grind. Ain't chasing tickers like a rodeo clown. I mark my level, then I stand my ground.
Back up to the 120s.
Trade the plan, that's my Bible in my hands. Oh yeah.
Nice push up.
Is the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk 'em first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky tonk discipline. Buddy's on the phone, man, it's running hop in. I just sip slow, let the chart breathe again. Tiny little edge like a nail in a fence. Hold it every single day, that's what makes a ranch. I ain't that cowboy with the last second bet. I'm stacking small wins like a farmer's shit. Plan the trade, trade the plan, that's my Bible in my hand. Sing it out. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. Consistency beats the rush. Risk comes first, then I roll. Let the profits chase my soul. Data in my head like a Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky tonk discipline. Discipline. Some folks pray for luck. I pray to keep my rules. Lord, save me from that FOMO and them late night fools. My edge ain't a secret, it's how I walk each day. Hard like a preacher, hands like a Texas day trade. Plan the trade, trade the plan, that's my Bible in my hand. Discipline's the only thrill I trust. That's all. Consistency beats the
Nice pullback right there. That's a nice push. I can't believe I got out a little bit earlier a while ago.
Sunday hymn. I get NASDAQ level results from a honky tonk discipline. Discipline. Yeah, my edge is my process. My profits in the proof. Little cowboy of the NASDAQ, singing risk and truth. Coffee gone cold on a desk lamp glow. Boots on the floor, but I don't leave home. Watching that open like a rodeo gate. Every tick bucking like a seal in my face. Got scars from the summers the rally ran wild. Bears at the door, bulls acting like a child. They call me crazy, but I call it art and cute. Not for the faint of heart.
Smash that like button for us, guys. Welcome into the tack room.
That screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves. I can't set my weight in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. That's country as it gets for a cowboy like me. Mama says, son, that ain't
Trying to make a little bull flag right here. Is it gonna try to trap me?
red candles like a ballroom fight. I'm calm as a preacher on a Saturday night. Gotta stop like a holster tied in my side. Wrist small, aim tall, let the rest all right. If it hits my level, I play my part in cue. Not for the faint of heart. Fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild
I'm gonna try it.
Volatility
if it pushes through.
For the faint of heart, fearless in the face of the NASDAQ, riding that screen like a wild Mustang. Volatility is my playground. I saddle that storm and I yank on the reins. I don't chase moves, I catch them. I wait in the weeds till the price comes to me. One shot, infinite possibilities. Hardcore country in this day trade scene.
About 20-25 points almost. All right, there's half taken off at 25 points. Gonna bring my stop in the money now. We're kind of targeting that next shoulder. Maybe a little bit greedy. I'm gonna trail this also, but looking for that 180s, that 175 area. We kind of have that shoulder, those shoulders sitting back to the left right there. So let's see. Stops in the money though. Free trade. Already took half off. Trying to get back to even for the day. Then we'll get up. Gonna guarantee myself 200 bucks here. There's the 150s. Needs to push through those 150s fast. Oh, don't hit me there. All right. All right. Out of that trade flat again. We were a little over 1,400 down. Now we're about 185 down. So let's get one more good trade out of this.
Risk management tomorrow. That's not revenge trading. That's recovery. Just one more contract. That's what I said. Now I'm sweating bullets, staring at red. Told a chat I'm disciplined 5 minutes ago. Now I'm praying to Jesus, watching NASDAQ go. The market give it, the market take it away. One green trade got me feeling like Buffett today. Then I sized up crazy, thought I couldn't lose.
Time to push again right here. Want me to get back in.
If I hide the P&L, can't nobody see the bruise. If I pass receiver, I'm basically Warren Buffett. If I blow this funded, we don't talk about it. I got rules I probably shouldn't use, like moving stops and watching candles. No diamond hands on a terrible trade, telling everybody it's just a pullback phase. I keep buying dips that never bounce, turn small losses into large amounts. Cowboys don't cry when the charts go south. We just mute the mic and walk around the house. Minutes later, account blown sideways. Risk management important, guys. That's what everybody says. Ride the candles, survive the margin call. Funded by Friday, blown by Monday. Trading Cowboy, giddy up.
Smash that like button for us, guys. Welcome into the tack room.
Giddy up.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rolling right over, guys. Right here back at this pivot point of the 28-100s. JD, pay there. What are your EMA numbers? The red one right there is the 50 EMA. The purple is the 21. The white is the 14. And the green is the 9. And then somewhere over here, I have the 200 EMA. That top dotted line is the 200 EMA. So yes, sir. Thanks for being here. Welcome into the tack room. Rolling over. Rolling, rolling. Nice little bear flag. Looks better on a 30-second even.
Coffee ring on the blotter. Sun ain't up yet, but I'm hunting for dollars. Hey! Got my hat tipped low, screen glow hitting my eyes. Little heat in my cheeks as the future starts to rise. Charts look like canyons, red dust on the line. I'm roping in those breakouts, one tick at a time. Finger on the trigger, heart on the wire, every little flicker feeds that fire. Hey! Push NASDAQ, push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon, yeah, we shout you hot to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green, let's rip, let's ride, live the screen door dream. Got my watch list loaded like a belt full of rounds. When the volume stampedes, you can feel it shake the ground. Chat room talking live, campfire talking night. We're telling tales of a lemon fields we barely survive. Wind streaks whipsaw, same old song. One good runner and I'm right back on. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Come on, we shout you hot to the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail.
Flagging out a little bit, maybe.
Candles green, let's rip, let's ride, live the screen door dream. I've been stopped out, locked out, flat in the trust. When that trend line bends and the sky turns blue, I'm a cold red cowboy riding straight on through. Whoa. Hey, hold on, hey. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride, you know what I mean. Kick that open, widescreen saloon. Hands up high, we howl at the moon. High speed horses on a fiber trail, clicking these trays like we're chasing tail. Push NASDAQ, push those candles green. Let's rip, let's ride till the closing bell screams.
Trying to flag again right here.
Cowboy law. Yeah, the cowboys law. Yeah. Sun's going down on the candles I rolled. Chalk still burning from the paths I chose. Some green rum, some lessons.
Smash that like button for us, guys. Welcome into the tack room.
Moves I made, had a run of that flu, had one that slipped, got a little too heavy, had it one too quick, but I ain't done, I'm still in the fight. Close the books, take a breath tonight. Yeah, the market don't care who you are, it'll humble you fast, leave a scar, but every loss got a lesson.
Let's see.
If you're willing to look, not high, this
Kind of found a little support there at the 50s. Trying to push back up over these EMAs. Let's see if it gets denied right here.
all you proof, balance the books, let the numbers speak, find the strength in the habits you keep, write it back tomorrow, no fear, no plea, becoming the trader you said you'd be, one trade at a time, one step each day, from the red to the green, we find our way, funded accounts and evils in place, some hit targets, some slipped away, took that 8 plus, yeah, that clean sit up, then chased one late and paid too much, felt that pressure creeping in close, trying to force trades just to hit that goal, but I see it now, gotta slow that pace, discipline's the edge in this race I chase. Ain't about swinging at every pitch, it's the ones you wait for that make you rich. Patience pays
See if this sells back off. Should make a new low right here, right?
meant to land. This is the cowboy's law, real and raw. Every entry, every flaw I saw. Count the wins, but respect the cost. Gross bill more from what you lost. Saddle up tomorrow, clear eyes to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. Stay the course, don't chase the flame. Consistency's the name of the game. Yeah, slow it down, lock it in. Discipline over trying to win. Not every day's a payout ride, but every day's a step inside the trader you're building, brick by brick, not by love.
All right, let's try. I'm gonna see if we can come get this shoulder up here. See if we can push back up to this 28 100 area. Instantly got denied. Classic.
Reset, get ready to ride. Leave that ego off to the side. Tomorrow's come, another chance to see. Becoming the trader you said
I'm gonna keep this tight if we don't get this pop.
from the saddle to the screen, we grind, sharpen the edge, refine the mind, refine the mind.
Looking for those 85s to take off half.
Coffee on screen is glowing, sun comes up, numbers going, little green flicker on the side.
All right, there's half taken off. Stops in profit, and we're looking for that shoulder at the 98s now. Come on.
Heart beats fast, chart keeps climbing, every tick feels like timing. Gut says hold, but my hands say bye. Another breakout coming by. Push those candles, push it, NASDAQ, stack it higher, never look back. Let's go.
All right, TP'd there. Now we're up for the day. Now we're up. Finally again. Oh, look at that push. Look at that squeeze. Whoa. Think we got some news, guys.
Alarm bell ring, screens light up, green and red like county fair eyes. Got my watch list, got my plan, ain't just throwing
Had to have some news, Nom. We had to.
moving average across the lane in. MACD talking about a shift in the wind. Volume jumping like a Friday crowd. ATR saying it's running wild.
Iran wants to meet, and we're meeting. There's a chance we can make a deal. I knew it, Nom. I knew it. I knew it.
Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Bank like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in the neon light.
Oh.
RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot
I thought anyway, Nom.
fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker.
Because you know what? We won. Oh. We did it, Nom.
Or be hitting like a home temper.
You sank my battleship.
Wipe sitting like a center stripe. Price comes back and it feels just right. Trend reversals whispering maybe. Inversion in my gut say easy. I ain't chasing every flashing flame. Just another small win in a big long game. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Band like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in the neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as a ticker flies. Could be red, could be green, it's alright. Wrist set tight, I can sleep at night. Oh yeah, just a farm kid reading candlesticks, turning little ticks into big life kicks. I'm riding this chart like a back road line. Fibonacci on the dash as I watch that climb. Bollinger Band like barbed wire tie. Volatility dancing in the neon night. RSI says run too far. Momentum oscillators humming like a truck in the yard. Pivot points marked like fence post signs. Trend line holding as the ticker flies. Coffee cup ring on a legal path. Sun just climbing past the barn roof line. Tickers rolling like a freight train past. But I'm just watching, giving it time. Call mine fast market. That's a deal I made with you. I don't chase, I don't panic. Just do what I came here to do. Detach from the outcome. Focus on the setup. Like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience to white knuckle every red line. Heart on fire with every little tick. Now I breathe like I'm out on the back porch swing. Let the fear fade slow, let the noise run thin.
Is Amar gonna stop following? They want to make a deal. I don't know, Nom. I don't know. It bails a lot of people out that were trying to catch that knife, though, right?
Focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral, the trader must be too. Master yourself, then master the NQ. Some folks want the glory before they learn the ground. I just read my story, and every tick up, every pull back down, detached from the outcome. Focus on the setup, like planting rows and trusting rain will come. Patience pays more than entries, like waiting on a harvest you can't rush. The chart is neutral.
I just can't believe I got out of my long ride before that. So that's what I can't believe.
Master yourself, then master the NQ.
If only we had the. If only we were part of the tweet, right, Mr. Twister? As long.
On the tick chart road. Coffee in a thermos, boots on the floor. Zero dawn nodding in that busted old hat says, boy, this open's what we came here for. Trading cowboy laughs ain't my first rodeo. Gronky tone man's humming low at the bar. Guitar guy yourself picks a deal in tune while Charles drives charts like a.
I'm gonna give this a few more minutes, guys, and I'm gonna get off here for the day. Probably in about an hour, probably 12:30 Central Time. I'll be hopping in the Discord, and I'll trade in there under the live stream for just a little bit. So if you're part of the Discord, you can always jump in there in about an hour. If you're not part of the Discord and you want to be part of it, type howdy in the chat. I'll send the link out. Here's the 14 EMA right there at the 140s. I mean, in my mind, we got to come all the way back down, right? We got to come back down to the 80s.
lessons paid. Every tick wrote the moves I made. Had a runner that flew, had one that slipped. Got a little too heavy, had it one too quick. But I ain't done, now I'm still in the fight. Close the books, take a breath tonight. Yeah, the market don't care who you are. It'll humble you fast, leave a scar. But every loss got a lesson inside if you're willing to look. Not high, this is the Cowboy's log, write it down in truth. Wins and the losses, yeah, they all leave proof. Balance the books, let the numbers speak. Find the strength in the habits you keep. Write it back tomorrow, no fear, no plea. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. One trade at a time, one step each day. From the red to the green, we find our way. We find our way. Yeah. Funded accounts and evos in place. Some hit targets, some slipped away. Took that A+, yeah, the clean setup and chased one late and paid too much. Felt that pressure creeping in close, trying to force trades just to hit that goal. But I see it now, gotta slow that pace. Discipline's the edge in this race I chase. Ain't about swinging at every pitch. The ones you wait for that make you rich. Patience paid is the strongest hand. Not every move's meant to land. This is the Cowboy's law, real and raw. Every entry, every flaw I saw. Count the wins, but respect the cost. Growth build more from what you lost. Saddle up tomorrow, clear eyes to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. Stay the course, don't chase the flame. Consistency's the name of the game. Yeah, slow it down, lock it in. Discipline over trying to win. Not every day's a payout right, but every day.
Nice push up right here.
The trader you're building, brick by brick, not by luck, but how you stick. This is the Cowboy's law, end of the day. Truth in the numbers, no running away. Mindset reset, get ready to ride. Leave that ego off to the side. Tomorrow's coming, another chance to see. Becoming the trader you said you'd be. From the saddle to the screen we grind. Sharpen the edge, refine the mind. Sun up glow on a ticker screen. Coffee gone cold, I still king. Charts lined up like a cattle drive. I rope that move, make the numbers fly. Red turns green in a blink, blink, blink. Heartbeats countdown, don't even think. Fast hands dance on a worn out mouse. This little desk at my glass walled house. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these neon halos. Precision in the chaos.
Let's see if we get a quick push right here.
How this cowboy rolls.
See if we get back up to these 180s.
Stop loss set like a safety rail. Big risk grin, I don't fear the fail. Storm blows in from the
See if we can snag a quick 20 points.
bell, gotta move real soon. Tick by tick, feel the old world fade. New frontier in the moves I made. Dick's clamp glow, midnight run. Chasing that break like a rising sun. Ride the NASDAQ, hanging on tight. Master the momentum, lightning in the night. Sharp mind swing where the wild winds blow. Turning all that whiplash into solid gold. Trade the future on the moment under these
Fighting a little bit right here, but I like how the 9 and 14 are paralleling each other, kind of pointing up. 21's there. The 50's a long way away. That's a little concerning, but there's no wick at the top of this 1232 candle. I was just hoping we'd go put a wick on it.
Boots on the floor, screen lights glow. Car like an up and roll, get it up, let's go. I'm the trading cowboy, stocks are my thing, and Q on the dashboard, hear that bell ring. Bear flags, bull flags, a rope and I brand. This could be the best 8 seconds ever hit this land. Ride those candles, ride that run, long it to the highs, yeah, chase that sun. Short it to the lows when the tide starts to set. This could be the
There's a wick to the 21.
I'm the trading cowboy.
Added to it there. I'll take it back off.
Momentum, boy. Cars look wild. I just grin. One more
Give me a little bit of TP. A little bit of profit. Give me a push here.
They call it gambling. I call it one trade away. One setup, one clean execution, one funded account, away from changing everything. The trading cowboy.
Smash that like button for us, guys. Welcome into the tack room. Thanks for being here.
Every trade
Get out of this one.
knows the feeling, staring at the screen at night, dreaming about the day one candle finally sends your life in flight. Bills stacked high on the counter, pressure heavy on your chest, telling yourself this next account might be the one that changes all the rest. Mama thinks I'm crazy, friends all think I'm broke, but they ain't seen a cowboy locked in with hope. 'Cause deep down every trader believes one full port move could set 'em free. I'm one full portrait from financial freedom, one clean runner from changing my life, one funded payout from telling my family we finally gonna be alright. If it ain't today, then saddle up and reload again.
Small bounce off the 50 right there.
Use the trading cowboy code and take another shot, my friend.
Stopped out a 5 contract.
The candles rope the market. Cowboys never quit the fight. One trade away from freedom. Maybe
If it pushes back through the 50, I'll be stopped out of all of them.
some accounts get blown to pieces. Some trades humble you real fast. But every real trader knows this dream ain't built for quitters that don't last. I've watched red days break men, seen revenge trade and steal souls. But the ones that keep on showing up eventually chance at freedom, another shot to leave a mark. Maybe this next funded account is the one. Maybe this next breakout pays the bills. Maybe this next runner changes your family tree forever. I'm one full portrait from financial freedom, one clean move from changing my name, one payout request from proving to everybody I wasn't crazy, chasing this game. And if today ain't the day, cowboy, don't let the dream die.
All right, guys, I'm going to hop off of here. Thanks for joining me today. Thanks for being here again. In about 45 minutes, 12:30 Central Time, I'm going to be jumping into the live stream in the Discord. So come join us there. Be a part of it. We'll let a few people talk if they want to talk. So come see us. I hope to see a bunch of y'all there. Remember, guys, the Trading Cowboy loves you no matter what you do. Johan, hope to see you there, buddy. Thanks for being here. So see y'all in about 45 minutes in the Discord, guys. Thanks, guys. Giddy up.
We came on in with the dawn, bullpen buzzing, coffee gone. Charge for dancing on the screen, you and me in a little green. Now the sun is dropping low, time to wrap this rodeo. If you had a good ride tonight, hold that smile and hold on tight. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right. We chase them numbers side by side, horseshoe look and a steady guide. If the market kicked and spun, you stayed through every mile we run. Now the barn doors close slow, but we'll be back, you know. The same hat, same grin, same show. Next time we'll let it roll. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right. Tip your hat at the screen, keep that good luck in between. When the next trail opens wide, we'll be back on the other side. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right. Right on, right on. We'll see you down the line. We came on in with the dawn, bullpen buzzing, and coffee gone. Charge for dancing on the screen. You and me in a little green. Now the sun is dropping low. Time to wrap this rodeo. If you had a good ride tonight, hold that smile and hold on tight. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right. We chase them numbers side by side, horseshoe look and a steady guide. If the market kicked and spun, you stayed through every mile we run. Now the barn doors close slow, but we'll be back, you know. Same hat, same grin, same show. Next time we'll let it roll. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right. Tip your hat at the screen. Keep that good luck in between. When the next trail opens wide, we'll be back on the other side. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right. Right on, right on. We'll see you down the line. We came on in with the dawn, bullpen buzzing, coffee gone. Charge for dancing on the screen. You and me in a little green. Now the sun is dropping low. Time to wrap this rodeo. If you had a good ride tonight, hold that smile and hold on tight. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right. We chase them numbers side by side, horseshoe look and a steady guide. If the market kicked and spun, you stayed through every mile we run. Now the barn doors close slow, but we'll be back, you know. Same hat, same grin, same show. Next time we'll let it roll. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way out, darling. Be sure you are subscribed so you get the next one right. Tip your hat at the screen. Keep that good luck in between. When the next trail opens wide, we'll be back on the other side. Thanks for tuning in to the Trading Cowboy live stream. We enjoyed riding with you. Hope you got what you came to see. Smash that like button on your way get the next one right.